If you've just started investing but don't know how to build up your portfolio, then this video is for you. Because in this video, we're gonna be showing you how our starting ETF investing portfolio looks like. So let's go. Guys, welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be giving you an example on how your starting investing portfolio could look like. It's mainly based upon the ETF investing strategy, so we've talked about this before in our previous videos, in which we explained to you why we think ETF investing is one of the best ways to investing your money. What we like so much about ETF investing is that it's very broad, so you're buying ETFs, exchange-traded funds, into a large amount of companies. So you're not betting just on one company, no, you're betting in a full market, or in, let's say, in a group of companies in a specific sector. And we're going to be showing you how our ETF investing portfolio looks like. So as you can see on the screen, this is our DEGIRO trading platform. In our previous videos, you could see how we bought S&P 500 and also VWRL. If you haven't seen those videos, then please have a look at our channel. Also, by the way, if you haven't done so already, of course, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. But then let's quickly go to our portfolio. As you can see, it's separated across shares and trackers, ETFs, and we currently have one single share, and that's Coca-Cola. It was just one fun idea of us where we thought, well, let's buy one of the most stable investments that Warren Buffett actually also made, which is why we bought two of those. As you can see right here, the current price is around $60 US, meaning that our unrealized profit is plus 13%. That's actually quite nice. We're quite happy about that. It's good to see that we're making some money on our investment on Coca-Cola. But then down below, you can see our trackers, and you'll see a mix in return on investments on those ETFs. So let's start off with the first one. That's going to be the digital security usage ETF of iShares. As you can see, we currently hold 10 of those, trading at around 5.9 euros, and our average buying price was around 6.5 euros, meaning that we are currently in a loss of around 8.5%. Not too good, guys, not too good. Also looking at our global energy, also from iShares, we also bought 10 of those, currently being traded at around 10.5 euros, meaning that our total value is around 105 euros. That's okay. But our average buying price was 11.35, meaning that we're currently at a loss of around 7.5%. So that's not too good either. And then our little, let's say, gamble on Bitcoin also isn't looking that well. So we've bought 5 of these ETNs at a price. It's currently being traded at around 12.27 euros, meaning that our total value is around 61 euros, meaning that we currently have an unrealized loss of 28.5%. That's also our biggest loss that we've had until now. But also we need to say to you, it's only a loss once we've sell it, right? And we're planning to hold this one for the long term, so hopefully eventually the Bitcoin price is going to be increasing and we can take a little bit of profit there as well. Then looking at this one, which is our global real estate usage ETF. So we really wanted to invest in real estate as well. It's very difficult, I would say, to buy some actual real estate, right? To directly buy a house or an apartment. That will cost us, of course, a lot of money directly to invest in one specific house, which is the reason why we thought, let's buy this ETF from VanEck, which is going to be a global real estate usage ETF. So we're buying multiple different, I would say, apartments and houses and commercial buildings. Those are all included in this one ETF. And we've bought actually 2 of these at a price currently being traded at around 37.5 euros, but we are in a loss there as well, in around minus 8.5%. Then we finally have made some money here, which is nice after seeing all of those red numbers. So this is the VanEck semiconductor usage ETF. We've bought 5 of these shares, trading at around 21.38 euros, meaning that this total value is around 106, a plus of 1.83%. That's good to see. And then the next one is also in a plus, luckily, which is the FTSE All World Usage ETF, the VWRL, which we must say we really like. So we currently hold 7 of these shares, trading at around 98 euros, a little bit less than 100 euros, meaning that this is trading at around plus 1.59%, which is quite nice. If we also look at how this one has been trading at the last, let's say, the last year, we do really really see that based upon all of the chaos that's happening in the world right now, it's going up and down a little bit. So there's a higher point at around 107, then a little bit lower somewhere in June, and then high up again in August, and then going down, and now it's somewhere in the middle, I would say. But if you look at the 5-year performance, of course, as you know, we're long-term investors, guys. We really care about the long-term profits that we can make. If you started trading in 2018, it was then trading at 70 euros. And now you can see that even if it's going down, it's still somewhere at a little bit more than 90 euros. And now with a little bit less than 100 euros, we think that this is still a staple. It's very broad. There's a lot of different companies included in this ETF, which is why we love it so much. And then the last one is, of course, the S&P 500, also one of our big positions that we have in our portfolio. We currently hold 9 of these ETFs, 9 shares trading at around 72 euros, meaning the total value of this position is around 650 euros. And that's, I would say, not at a loss, not at a profit. I would say it's just a neutral, right? Where we didn't make that much money, but we didn't lose anything as well. But also, if we look here at the 5-year performance, we do really see a very over the years performance. So it's not really, I would say, a year-over-year profit that you could make, but at least if you're long-term investors, meaning that you're at least investing for 5+ years, then we do see that there's really a great potential in this, right? Because 5 years ago, it was trading at around 42 euros, and now it's trading at around 72. So that's 30 euros of profit just by one share. So that's really crazy. And of course, these have the 500 significant large companies within the US. This is fully a US focused ETF, but this is one that we really, really like as well. And then if we look at our total overview, then we see that this is the current status. Let me expand this for you so you can see it a little bit nicer. So the current total balance of our portfolio is a little bit less than 2K, the balance of our portfolio, but we currently hold at around 1.86K of shares, of course, and then we still have around 106 euros available to trade, which is then also the question that we have to you. So if you have any ETFs or specific shares that you want us to buy in our next video, then leave them down below so that we can do a little bit of research, and we might be actually adding those ETFs or shares to our portfolio in one of our next videos. If you like this update, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and then we'll see you in the next one. Let's go!